Hey friends, let's jump straight into this mighty song. Nice easy one, and with this lesson we'll do all the guitar parts. Let me play the intro, then we'll break it down. So guitar 1 for our intros is playing an A minor, play the open A string, second D, second G, play the open B, then first fret B. Then go to an F bar chord, we're going to play first fret E, third on the A, then go second fret G, open B, so we're lifting the bar off, open B to first fret B. That's a G chord, but we can just play the third fret on the E string, open G, open B, second fret on the G, open G. Then just do an A minor chord, and you can use your whammy bar there, and we just do that 2 times. And that's guitar 1. Let's have a look at guitar 2. This is easy. We're just going to do 8th notes on an A power chord, palm muting for 1 bar. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 end, and then the same on F. 2 and 3 and 4 end, come up to G the same. 2 and 3 and 4 end, back to A for another bar. 3 and 4 end, and we just do that 2 times. And that's our intro there. So for our verse, we just continue with our palm muting for guitar 2 there. So we just got the A, the F, the G, to the A. Do that 3 times, and then the 4th time the start stays the same. A, to the F, to the G. Then to finish off, play an A minor 2 times, to G 2 times. So that's guitar 1, then the 3rd time through, the second guitar plays the same as the intro. To our F, to our G, to the A minor, repeat that again, to the F, to the G, and then finish the same as guitar 1, the A minor 2 times, to the G 2 times. And that's our verse there. So for our chorus, both guitars do the same. We have the F chord 2 times, to a C 2 times, G 2 times, to a D minor 2 times, back to an F 2 times, to the C 2 times. Then we have this little arpeggio picking, play open G, 3rd fret E and B, 4 on the G, 5 on the G, 3rd fret E, 3rd fret B, 5 on the G, back to 3rd fret E, 4 on the G, open G, back to the E, 3, B3, 4 G, and then an open D and G. Slowly. And there are all the parts of the chorus there. Then from there we go back to the verse, and guitar 1 and 2 are the same as our previous verse. Back to the chorus, that's the same. Then go back to the intro, and that's the same. Now our next verse is slightly different. The start stays all the same, and we just have the 1 guitar palm muting through on the A again, the F, the G, back to the A, do that again to the A, to the F, to the G. Now to finish off, we're going to play the A minor 2 times. Now we're going to do an A minor 7 over G. So 3rd fret on the E, mute the A, 2nd fret on the D, open G, 1st on the B, and open E. And that's our 3rd verse C. From there we just go back to the chorus, and guitar 1 stays the same all the way through to the end, and then we have this little arpeggio picking as well. So we play that for you, then we'll break it down, and we start this the 3rd time. So we're just starting on 5E, 6B, 5G, back to 5E. Then we're coming up 8E, 8B, 9G, back to 8E. Then 7E, 8B, 7G, 7E. Then bar the 10s, 10E, 10B, 10G, back to 10E. Go back to our first one, 5, 6, 5, 5, our second one, 8, 8, 9, 8. Now we do our 7, 8, 7. Then we're going to change here. We're going to play 7E, 8 on the E, 8B, 7 on the G, back to the E, 8, 7, 8, 7, 8, 7, 8 on the B, 7 on the G. And you just keep repeating that to the end, and that's all the parts there. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the breakup song Guitar Lesson by Greg Kihn Band. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. If you love your rock, glam, metal and everything in between, jump onto my YouTube channel for hundreds more songs, and I'm looking forward to seeing you soon.